Hot shots. Step 1, let's go. Chicken 300 grams or 1 cup heaped. Salt 1/2 teaspoon or as required. Chicken powder 1/2 teaspoon. Paprika powder 1/2 teaspoon. Black pepper 1/2 teaspoon. Vinegar 1 teaspoon. Garlic paste 1/2 teaspoon. Ginger paste 1/2 teaspoon. Mustard paste 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Soya sauce 1 teaspoon. Mix. Roast it for 1 hour. STP02, let's go. Flour 1/2 cup. Corn flour 4 TBSP. Baking powder 1/2 teaspoon. Salt 1/2 teaspoon. Paprika powder 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Chicken powder 1/2 teaspoon. Mix. Done. Step 3, let's go. Corn flour 1/4 cup. Flour 1/4 cup. Salt 1/2 teaspoon. Paprika powder 1/2 teaspoon. Baking powder 1/2 teaspoon. Chili powder 1/2 teaspoon. Egg 1. Cold water as required. Mix. Done. Pour this batter in chicken. Mix. Step 4, let's go. Coating. Dip in cold water. Done. Step 5, let's go. Frying. Yummy. Enjoy with your family and kids.